We live in Sleepy Hollow, Illinois, suburb of Chicago. And sometime in January, I was up on the roof and I was thigh deep in snow and ice jams along the gutter. So we sold it and we came out here. We chose the lot because at the time, and it still is, the highest lot in the area. We wanted to do a Santa Fe type Territorial home, flat roof, Vega beams, wide aisles. So we just built it the way she wanted and I wanted it because we wanted to come from the east to the west. Our house has got 4 bedrooms, 4 baths. It's about 3,400, 3,500 square feet. We love all of our house, but our favorite part of the house, I think, is where we're sitting right now, the great room. It's expansive. We put the seamless glass, there's no frame, and we did that because you can see all the way to Phoenix. It's just unbelievable. You have approximately a 45-degree view of the city, and it goes all the way from Scottsdale. You can see Phoenix Stadium. So it's a tremendous view. And if you turn around and go the other way, you see Continental Mountain, Desert Mountain, you see the whole way that way. So there's mountain views, city views. We had the windows like this, so when you first walk in, and they say, oh my God. And it's the truth. I mean, it's just, it'll take you away because it's so spectacular. One of our favorite things about where we live is how quiet it is. We have javelina, mule deer. I mean, it's the desert. And all the houses on this particular area are a minimum 1 acre. So, I mean, it's all, you know your neighbors, but you don't know them. But it's quiet. It's super quiet. You can sit out here. You can go up to our deck at night. It's incredible. The city lights, the mountains, and then what you see, shooting stars. You see the satellites go over across the sky. So it's a totally different atmosphere. So when you step outside, we have this covered patio all the way around. We have a barbecue grill that has 3 sections to it. We have a fire pit with natural wood. We have a waterfall. We have a big pool. And then we have the spa. And then we have a gas fire pit over here. So we have a nice, really backyard that gives you advantage of all the views. You got the mountain views to the west and north, and you got the city views to the south. And we're at the high enough elevation that you're not going to be blocked by anything. I think the house is perfect for people that are looking for a nice, quiet neighborhood, spread apart, tremendous views, and just enjoy what you have.